Dun-dun. Hey guys, today we have the Doogee S200. So this is the new dual screen larger device, and this is a 5G smartphone from Doogee. As we can see, this time it's get a cool metro design, and this is the real screen 1.32 AMOLED display real screen. And if we go to the front, we cut the screen, and it's a 6.72 inch FHD plus 120 Hz refresh rate wardrobe screen, and this is the wardrobe screen. And we can also go to the settings part to check more information about this device. So yes, about the smartphone, device name and phone information. So it's a display resolution 1080 by 2400, and screen and battery 10100 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. So it's a big battery, but this time they control the thickness of this smartphone to 60 millimeters, not too heavy. And also you can find it gets a triple ray camera system 1, 2, 3, and also it's powered by Morphe imager system. And the main one is 100 megapixel, amazing camera. Among the large device, and also it's got a 200 megapixel infrared camera, night vision camera, and also the 2 megapixel macro lens. And for the front one is a 32 megapixel front camera. And about the RAM, raw information is get the 12 RAM plus external virtual 20 RAM and plus 256 GB ROM addition. You can find the information here. So this is a mightily performance, amazing, powerful device from Doogee, and this is also a RAW device as I mentioned, IP68, IP69K, and military standard A10H. We can wake up the double touch click to wake up screen and switch it from the calendar, camera, music, and also you can get notification from it. Long press. You can also find the mini screen here, and you can select your clock plate, different clock plate for you to choose, and very nice, both different design. So many customized clock. Oh yes, already. If I click it, and here it will get a new clock plate. And also this time, as I mentioned, it's got a very powerful camera system as well. This is the AI camera. We can check it. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And also about the processor, I think I have to mention it's a 5G processor, powered by the MediaTek D7050 is a 6 nanometers 5G chips, and octa-core, NFC, stopper, and also the volume button, and it's a side fingerprint plus power button, customized button, the SIM card slot. So do you like this new device from Doogee? The Matrix Dial 5G new device from Doogee. Make a comment, let me know your thought. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm so excited to get the Doogee S200 new flagship model 5G smartphone. And as we can see, this is a totally a new dual screen larger phone from Doogee, and this time it also supports clock plate, calendar, camera, music on the second screen, and also it's our new design for the camera zone. And you can find the details about the smartphone, and it remind me to the Doogee S60 and Doogee 89 design. It's unshaped design, but this time the device get a flagship camera. It support Morphe image and triple ray camera system, 1 megapixel Morphe main camera, and 20 megapixel night vision. Here is the sensor, and 2 megapixel macro lens. Let's go to the front side. For the job screen, 6.78 inch FHD. It's a very quick camera test. Okay, 100 megapixel. Four times zoom, and the front 32 megapixel. And also support night vision and super night true mode. For super night, colorful picture, but for the night vision, just the two color, black, white. No, this time is a 10100 battery with 33 fast charging. 1.32 AMOLED screen. 120 Hz refresh rate supported. Very cool. Nice. Do you like it? Bye bye. Guys, today we have the Doogee 200, the new 5G dual screen larger phone. As we can see now, turn on the second screen and we can find the mature design. And today we have a very quick and simple waterproof test about this device. So first, let's go to the clock and here. Okay, start the stopwatch, and now we put it into the water. So now everything is works well, and we will put it into the water and we will wait for a minute then we will check if it works well and survive. So okay, put it in the water and get more water. Totally into water now. Okay, we'll wait for several minutes and then we will go back. Okay, now 5 minutes have passed. Check the phone if it survives or not. Okay, cannot support the right hand control, but we can go to front and use the button. Okay, still can wake up. Okay, yes, 4 minutes. The stopwatch still goes on, and 4 minutes 30 seconds still goes the time. And check the camera. Everything's well. And the second screen also works. Everything's well, so it survived in the water for several minutes, and it's waterproof phone. Good. Bye bye.